What? It looks like a black eye. You look like you had a fist fight with Coco Martin. I don't know if this is supposed to be a makeup tutorial or a horror movie. It's like those creepy videos you search on 3 a.m. in the morning on the dark web.
Mr. Everyone, today I'ma do the no mirror makeup challenge, but with a twist. My guy friend slash classmate slash cousin slash kuya will do the voiceover for me. If you find this video entertaining, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. Now on to the video.
Hi, I'm Abigail, and you could see, first and foremost, I'd like to shake my wrist and put this caramel thing, and then I tap it on my face, hiding all the holes, scars, bits, making sure I put on everything. I still tap it on the solar panel. You see how it's shining? I put it under my eye to hide all the eye bags. Then I violently tap it because I'm angry at my skin. Is this really how long you put makeup? It's been 3 minutes. Okay, under the chin. What's next? Oh, she adds some more. Oh my goodness. I thought that was done. Okay, dab lightly. Why is your face shining? What's this? Waxing? Floor shine? Are you done flooring your face with a sponge? What's up with pushing the face? Wow, it's been 5 minutes. It's a pencil. Are you going to stab it on your eye? Again. What? Oh, she's gonna fill in her eyebrows. How to draw eyebrows. Ate says she has no eyebrows, but she has. It's just small. Now she wants to make it look bigger with a pencil. Makes you look like a caveman. What are you? What's that one?
What are you doing with your life?
Huh? Are you the Joker? Oh, now she's brushing something. Oh, what did you use? You did not show me. In your point of view, she's dabbing it. Now she's brushing it. Isn't that dangerous to the skin? Still shiny. I could see the sun on your forehead. What's this? What are you putting? She didn't even show what she put. She's definitely tired of showing everything. Uriah will explain. And then she has a hard time opening it. Come on. You can do this, Ate. Is it expired? Now she's showing it. After so many things she put on her face, she's showing it now. Do you ever suffocate with the powder on your nose? Do you even inhale it? Does it have drugs? What's that? Oh, she's gonna put extra reflections on her forehead. Even on her nose. Oh my goodness. Are you this frustrated? Why don't you get a boyfriend? Maybe he'll appreciate you without makeup in the morning. Hey Abigail, you should wear makeup. You're already the most beautiful person in my life. What a simp. Man, I could already see your eyebrows. A while ago, I could have guessed that they were eyebrows. Now they're eyebrows. Like, what is that? The other one is too long and the other one is short. Now what she's showing. Oh, it's the face paint. There's a mirror. She's gonna take it away from her face. But you see, she's already blind. Now she's deciding on which color. What's up with you put makeup on your eyelid, but your eyes are open? Who sees the makeup with that? You have to close your eyes for people to see your makeup. That's ridiculous. They're like, hi guys, look at my makeup. And you're like, your eyes are closed. Yes, that's the point. And now she's putting it under. You have eye bags already and you're adding more eye bags. Wow. I have no sleep. No. What? Now you look like an abused wife. Congratulations. And now she's doing it for both eyes. I still don't understand why you have to put makeup on the eyelids. Like, oh hey, nice eyelids, thanks. You want to see my eyelids? Shuts the eyes. What? It looks like a black eye. See, she looks like she got punched in the face. Imagine wanting to punch her. You don't have to, because she could just make it look like you punched her. Abigail, you are one manipulative woman. You see, you pretend you get knocked out in the face, but in reality, it's just makeup. What? Okay, she just switched brushes. What's up with the nose? Who sees the bottom of your nose? What? Nobody sees the under of your nose. No one checks it. Like, no one goes like, hey, your nostrils have makeup. Oh, she adds some more. What's that? A mirror. Yeah, avoiding mirrors. She doesn't want to see the end product of, like, her mistake.
Got it.
Yeah, I could see the mirror. The mirror is like your face. It's reflecting the light. Don't smile like that. It's all going well. It's always... What's next? What is that? Oh, the crayon for the lips. You're not even gonna kiss a guy with that. You're just gonna show, oh, I put color on my lips. It's not even showing color. Is it a lip tint? It's invisible lipstick. It's poisonous. It's like for kissing men. The problem is there's no men. When is the brushing gonna end? She's She's already tired. She's already bored. Now what is that?
Time to
What?
stop.
Are you starting a fire? See, this is a caveman tutorial. Just keep closing your eyes. You look like you had a fist fight with Coco Martin. I don't know if makeup's supposed to make you look like a bit livelier or it makes you look like you're dead. He's so amazed with the pencil. She still looks dead. What's... Oh, this has just gotten better. Okay. Oh, she's not using it? She's not? That's the sad part. This is sad. You could have used the fake eyelashes, you know. Is she you? Yeah. Oh! Yes. Here's how we... Oh, she's not using it. She's not? What's that? What? I'm so disturbed right now. This started off as a joke, but now it's disturbing me truly. What are you doing? Oh, something went to her eye. See? Something went to her eye. See? That's what you get for being vain. Okay, now she's putting on the fake eyelashes. Okay. That looks disgusting. Is it plastic? Is it hair? Is it armpit hair? Rat's hair? Whose hair is it? Is it actual human hair? Is it from Buddhist monks who shaved their heads? It fell. Ha! Abigail, as usual. What's with the fake eyelash? Oh, she's gonna cut it. And now she's sniffing the makeup on her nose. What's that? Is that super glue for her eyelashes? It is the creepiest thing. And then she's blowing it to dry. Blow your eyelashes. Abigail, what have you become? We've just been in quarantine for like 50 days. What? That's really cool. She looks like an alien with that. Like the eyelashes on the one eye and then another one without it. Why are the Caesars so huge? Imagine, it's so hot in the Philippines and you decide to wear makeup. And then you complain it's hot. Wow. Are you done? If you're asking for the final product, you look slappable. Is she gonna sneeze? Why is she blowing it? What if you put it at the wrong place? What happens? Does it become misaligned? Or do you have to fix it again? Or do you have to like wait for 5 hours and then to take it off? Or does the glue stick in? Oh, I have so many questions. I didn't learn anything from this. Will it fall off? Does it fall off? Does it stay there? And then she's gonna put makeup on the fake eyebrows. Wow, it's like applying lube to a Kristen channel. Are you done? Your face still reflects. It's like a mirror. You said no mirror challenge. I see a mirror. She's gonna look at herself. There's no difference. She seems impressed. See? She noticed the eyebrow. You know how that is disturbing. She's looking at it. She thinks it's good. That's it.
Thank you so much for watching this far into the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I've always wanted to shoot a makeup video, but I have poor eyesight. If I did a normal one, it will look like this. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.